What's up guys? In this video we'll look at cryptocurrency market cap, which is a lie and a deceive. And if you think that sounds interesting, well then stay tuned. As I said earlier in the video, crypto market cap is a big fat lie. And you're probably wondering, why is that big fat lie? Well, let me explain. If we take the equation price multiplied supply, we get the market cap. So if we, for example, take Bitcoin's current price multiplies the supply, we'll get the market cap. Let me give you another example. Let's, for example, say you had a favorite coin and you all the supply, and there were 100 of the supply, right? There will be no demand for it, so the price and market cap will be unknown. But what if you sold one coin for $6 to a friend? Well, then the market cap suddenly will be $600, right? But what if your friend sold it to his friend for $4? Then the market cap is suddenly $400. So where the fuck is the rest of the $396 at? And this is exactly my point. The market cap is big fat lie because the rest of the money have never been invested in it. However, this is called net inflow, where money is flowing in the market, and when money is flowing out the market, that is when we call it net outflow. And you need to understand these terms. So next time you see billions of billions moving out of the crypto market of Bitcoin, that's actually not the truth. That's not the case. The case is the price is changing because there's a small sell-off. Even a 5% is a significant sell-off for Bitcoin, which would affect the market cap. Even though that's might be millions which is being sold off, it seems like there's billions, which is not the case. I will also not include the fake printed tether, the market maker, and the unused Bitcoin, which is mined for decades, which is still not used or been seen or moved from the wallet, or Satoshi Nakamoto, which have millions of Bitcoin laying around in his wallet. These factors are important, however I will not put them in this video. So is this positive or negative? Well, it depends on how you see it. The way I see it is, well, both. The positive side is that I know for a fact now that my favorite coin actually have a bigger growth next year. The reason is I know the market cap is actually a lot lower than what it seems. So if it says 1 billion, I'm pretty sure it's around 100 million, maybe less. Which means it can explode in price for the next bull run. For example, I hold Tron, I hold Cardano, Ripple, and all of these projects which I believe in. You can disagree with me, but you probably have your own favorite coin, which will also have maybe a low or high market cap, but that's just a deceive. It's actually not what we see. So for the next bull run, we will see a lot more higher coin price than we ever have seen before. That is what I believe in. What is the negative side then? Market manipulation. You probably have seen some random coin just suddenly jump the scale from 100 million to 1 billion of a market cap. Even though that random coin which exploded in price in one day when one exchange and the exchange was unknown and the volume were low, but it just became a top 10 cryptocurrency. And suddenly in 2 days it was removed from CoinMarketCap, and they will do a exit scam where they took all the money. That's because there's no regulation of the market whatsoever. Seems familiar? Anyone heard about BitConnect? Anyway guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own due diligence, have a fundamental understanding of the crypto market. Also give this a big thumbs up if you like this video, and if you like my content, subscribe to my channel. It might have no effect on you, but have a huge effect on the channel. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video gave you some kind of knowledge of the crypto market cap, and that is a big fat lie. So next time a random person tell you that crypto market cap is the most important thing, well, then just show them this video. Anyway, see ya.